man of God, Apostle Victor HOUNKPATI, on a special one-on-one Nicodemus section on Saturday, 6 November 2021, time 7 a.m. Ghana time. It's a private meeting with the man of God, Apostle Victor HOUNKPATI. Venue at the Church Auditorium, Hand of God Church of All Nations, Joji, Volta Region, Ghana. For booking and inquiry, please call +233 244 151 563 or +233 507 223 727 or +233 244 646 994. Join the prophet on this special one-on-one Nicodemus session. There will be a message from God for you, prophecies with no amplification, waiting to receive you on a special one-on-one Nicodemus session with the man of God, Apostle Victor HOUNKPATI.